Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 6, fraction from the book Maths 3. We often hear terms like half, 1/4 and 3/4. All these terms show that they are parts or portions of a whole. तो हमने काफ़ी सारी टर्म्स सुनी हैं जैसे कि हाफ, 1/4, 3/4. ये जो टर्म्स होती हैं ये पार्ट्स होते हैं या पोर्शन होते हैं किसी पूरी चीज़ के, होल थिंग के. ओके, नाउ फ्रैक्शन. Fraction is a broken number of a whole that represent a part or parts of whole. A whole can be a region or a collection. For examples, जो fraction होती है वो एक broken number होता है किसी whole thing का. ओके, ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है किसी पार्ट को, पार्ट ऑफ अ होल को. ऑल्सो जो होल होता है वो एक रीजन होता है और कलेक्शन होता है. बेसिकली वी हैव एग्जांपल्स. अ पिज्जा इज अ रीजन बिकॉज it is one object. We can cut it and take one more parts of it. तो जो पिज्जा होता है वो एक रीजन होता है क्योंकि वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओके, हम इसको कट कर सकते हैं और पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. राइट. 8 apples in a plate is a collection because it is a group of many apples or objects. We can take part of this collection by taking out 4 apples from the बास्केट. जो 8 एप्पल्स है एक प्लेट में वो कलेक्शन है क्योंकि ये ग्रुप होता है काफी सारे एप्पल्स का और ऑब्जेक्ट्स का. हम उसमें से पार्ट ले सकते हैं इस कलेक्शन में से. हमने जैसे 4 लिया उस बास्केट में से. ओके, सो देयर इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ पिज्जा जो कि हम पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. राइट. देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एप्पल्स, अ प्लेट फुल ऑफ एप्पल्स. ओके, देन 1/2. When an apple cuts into 2 equal parts, each of the part is called 1/2 of the whole object. जब किसी whole thing को, यहाँ पर एप्पल की बात हो रही है, अगर हम उसको पार्ट्स में कट करते हैं 2 equal parts में, तो हम बोलते हैं कि जो पार्ट है वो 1/2 हो गया है. इस तरीके से. ओके, तो टोटल 1/2 मीन्स 2 halves हो गए हैं. राइट. देन 1/2 is written as 1/2 or 1/2. Okay, 1/2 is read as 1/2. This is how we read it. or 1/2. 1/2 भी बोल सकते हैं. 1/3. When an apple cuts into 3 equal parts, each of the part is called 1/3 of the whole. जब एक एप्पल को, a whole को हमने 3 पार्ट्स में कट कर दिया, 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में, तो तब हम कहेंगे कि वो 1/3 हो गया है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर 3 1/3 make a whole. Okay, 1/3 is written as 1/3. 1/3 is read as 1/3 or 1/3 or 1/3. Okay, then 1/4. When an apple cuts into 4 equal parts, each of the part is called 1/4 of the whole. जब एक एप्पल को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कट करते हैं तो उसको 1/4 बोलते हैं पूरे का. So this is the whole apple. जब हमने 4 parts में कट किया तो this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. 4 quarters make a whole. 4 quarter. Okay. 1/4 is written as 1/4. 1/4 is also called a quarter. Quarter भी कहते हैं इसको. 1/4 is read as 1/4 or 1/4 or 1/4. 1/4, 2/3, 1/4, 3/2, 3/4 etc. are called fractional numbers or fractions. इन सारे को हम या तो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर या फ्रैक्शंस कहते हैं. ओके, देन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. अ फ्रैक्शन इज अ नंबर रिटन एज अ क्वोशिएंट दैट इज one number divided by another. We should know that 3 divided by 2 equals to 3/2. In the fraction 3/2, 3 is the numerator and 2 is denominator. तो जो फ्रैक्शन होती है वो ऐसा नंबर होता है जो एज अ क्वोशिएंट लिखा होता है. यानी कि वन नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय अनदर. एक नंबर को दूसरे से डिवाइड करेंगे. राइट. तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि 3 divided by 2 लिखा है तो हम उसको इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं 3/2. ओके, तो इन द फ्रैक्शन 3/2, 3 जो है यहाँ पर ये वाला, इसे हम न्यूमरेटर बोलते हैं और जो 2 है इसको हम डिनोमिनेटर कहते हैं. ओके. In a fraction, the number above the horizontal line is called numerator and the number below the horizontal line is called denominator. जो horizontal line के above होता है उसको हम numerator कहते हैं, जो below होता है उसको denominator कहते हैं. Then exercise 6a, color 1 by 2 of these shapes. So we need to color the 1 by 2 or half of these given shapes. First, this is the rectangle and divided into 2 halves, right? So we can shade one part. I'll just mark it, okay? You can color properly by yourself. Then second, this is a triangle. Here you can see again it is divided into 2 halves. So I'll shade the one part, okay? Then in the remaining ones you can color by yourself, okay? Then D, color 1 by 3, 1/3 of each picture. Now we have to color the 1/3, okay? So first there is a circle divided into 3 parts. So we have to color the 1/3, means we have to shade one part only, okay? Or you can say we have to color. So you can fill the color properly. Then second, there is a triangle with 3 equal division, okay? I'll shade one part only. You can fill the color properly. Now in the remaining ones you can color by yourself. Then see, color 1 by 4, 1/4 of each picture. First, there is a square divided into 4 equal parts and I have to color in 1 by 4 part. So you can fill color in one part only, okay? So that's how you do the remaining parts as well, okay? Then D, write numerator and denominator of the following fractions. अब हमें denominator और numerator लिखना है, okay? So first we have 7 by 25. 7 is the numerator and 25 is the denominator. Then second, 6 by 14. Now 6 is the numerator and 14 is the denominator. Third, 4 by 9. Now 4 is the numerator and 9 is the denominator. Now the remaining parts you can do by yourself. Then E, make the fractions with given numerators and denominators. तो इनसे हमें न्यूमरेटर दिए हुए डिनोमिनेटर दिए हुए इनसे हमें फ्रैक्शंस बनानी है, ओके? न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर, देन फ्रैक्शंस. फर्स्ट 5, 12. The fraction is 5 by 12. Then second, 7, 35. So the fraction will be 7 by 35. Then third, 1, 5. The fraction will be 1 by 5. Now the remaining parts you can solve yourself, okay? Then more than one out of many equal parts. A, in a birthday party, Anika's mother cut a cake into 3 equal parts and wanted to give one piece to Anika. But she insisted on taking 2 pieces. So Anika got 2 out of 3 equal parts. We can express it as 2/3 or 2 by 3. तो बर्थडे पार्टी थी, ओके? जो अनिका की मदर थी उन्होंने केक को कट किया 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में और वो चाहती थी कि वो 1 पीस दे अनिका को, ओके? बट अनिका ने कहा कि उसे 2 पीसेस चाहिए, तो अनिका को 2 आउट ऑफ 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स मिल गए और हम इसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं 2/3 और 2 by 3 में, ओके? देन बी, द फर्स्ट पिक्चर बिलो शोज दैट अ pizza has been divided into 4 equal parts. The second picture shows 3 parts out of the 4 equal parts of the pizza. Can you say that these are 3 out of 4 equal parts? We can express 3 out of 4 in 2 ways as fraction as 3/4 or 3 by 4. So यहाँ पर पिक्चर दी है, पिज्जा 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, ओके? और यहाँ पर 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, 3 पिज्जा के पार्ट दिए हैं, तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये क्या है, 3 by 4 पार्ट है, ओके? पूरे पिज्जा का, ओके? Then see the following pictures show other fractions. These will help you to understand more the meaning of fractions. तो यहाँ पर कुछ पिक्चर्स शो हो रही है अदर फ्रैक्शंस की जो कि हमें हेल्प करेंगे अंडरस्टैंड करने में फ्रैक्शन का मीनिंग, ओके? सो 2/5 और 2 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total division is 5 and 2 are colored. So 2 by 5. Okay. Then a circle divided into 8 parts. Okay. 5/8 or 5 by 8. 5 is shaded. So 5 by 8 is the fraction. Then we have a rectangle which is divided into 12 equal parts and 7 are shaded. So we have 7/12 or 7 by 12. Okay. Then exercise 6b. A color as many parts as indicated by the fraction below each picture. So यहाँ पर हमें parts को color करना है according to the given fraction. First, this is the rectangle divided into 5 parts and we have to shade 2 parts of it. So you will fill the color properly. I'll just shade. Okay. Got it? Then second, there is a circle divided into 8 equal parts and we have to shade 1 by 8. Means 1 part. Okay. Now the remaining parts of coloring you can do by yourself. Then D, write the fraction for each of the following. Now we have to write the fraction. First 2/5. The fraction will be 2 by 5. This is how we write it. Then second, 1/9 means 1 by 9 means 9. Got it? Then one more. Third, 7/10 means 7 by 10. 10th means 10. Got it? Now the remaining parts you can do by yourself. Then C, write the word for each fraction. Now we have to write the word. One is already given. First, 1 by 2, which is 1/2. Then second, 2 by 6. The answer will be 2/6. Then third, 4 by 5. The answer will be 4/5. Okay, now the remaining parts you can do by yourself. We have equivalent fractions. Navya has 16 toys. Of these, 8 cars and 8 are dolls. 8 by 16 of the toys are cars, says Sumit. Yes, 1 by 2 toys are cars, says Rohit. 8 by 16 and 1 by 2 are equal or equivalent. Both of are correct. Hence, 8 by 16 equals to 1 by 2. तो नव्या के पास 16 टॉयज है, उसमें से 8 कार्स हैं और 8 डॉल्स हैं. तो सुमित कहता है कि 8 by 16 टॉयज में से कार्स हैं और रोहित कहता है कि 1 by 2 टॉयज में से कार्स हैं. ओके, सो बोथ आर करेक्ट बिकॉज 8 by 16 equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now let us observe the following equivalent fractions. So we have two fractions. Okay, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4, and here is the equal to sign. Now here you can see a rectangle divided into 2 equal parts, so the fraction is 1 by 2. Okay, similarly there is a square divided into 4 equal parts, right, and 2 parts are shaded, so the fraction is 2 by 4. But you can see that half of the rectangle is shaded here. Similarly, half of the square is shaded here, right? So we can say that 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4. Okay, got it? Then similarly, here is a square again divided into 3 equal parts, and the fraction for this is 1 by 3 because one part is shaded. Okay, then again there is a rectangle divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2. 2 parts are shaded, right? So 2 by 6 is the fraction here. But you can see that the remaining part is similar to this one. So that's why this is also equal. Okay, then rules to get equivalent fraction. अब हम कैसे calculate करते हैं equivalent fraction को? First rule, we can get fractions equivalent to a given fraction by multiplying to numerator and denominator by the same numeral except 0. तो हम इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं मल्टीप्लाई करके, न्यूमरेटर को भी डिनोमिनेटर को भी सेम नंबर से। जीरो से नहीं कर सकते, जीरो में एक्सेप्शन होती है, बाकी एनी अदर नॉन जीरो नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3/9 equals to 2 multiply 3 upon 2 multiply 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3 equals to 3 multiply 9 equals to 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 9 equals to 5 multiply 3 upon 5 multiply 9 equals to 6 multiply 3 upon 6 multiply 9. So 3/9, 3/9. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 6/18. Then is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27. Then is equal to 12/36. Similarly for this one. Then is equal to 15/45. Calculation for this one. Then 18/54. Calculation for last one. Okay. Then second rule. We can get a fraction equivalent to a given fraction by dividing numerator and denominator by the same numeral except 0. अब हम एक और तरीके से निकाल सकते हैं, डिवाइड करके, न्यूमरेटर को भी डिनोमिनेटर को भी सेम नंबर से, जीरो एक्सेप्शन है। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट अस ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस। नाउ 2/8 equals to 2 divided by 2 upon 8 divided by 2, so we'll get 1/4. राइट, 2 के टेबल में 2 1 पर आता है, 2 के टेबल में 8 4 पर आता है, so 1/4. Got it? Then another example, 3/15 equals to 3 divided by 3 upon 15 divided by 3. Okay, so 1/5 is the answer. An important fact about equivalent fractional numbers. Two fractions are equivalent if the product of the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of second fraction is equal to the product of the denominator of the first fraction and numerator of second fraction. So we'll understand these three lines properly with the help of the sentence. Okay, now let us take an example of two equivalent fraction, 3/5 and 9/5. Okay, the product of the numerator of first fraction and denominator of second fraction is equal to, तो हमने फ्रैक्शन कंसीडर की थी 3/5 और 9/15, राइट। अब जो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है हमें उसका न्यूमरेटर को कंसीडर करना है, ओके, और सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर को कंसीडर करना है। तो 3 multiply 15 will get 45. Okay, we have to find the product of them, so we'll get 45. Then the product of denominator of first fraction and numerator of second fraction. फिर हमने अगेन दोनों फ्रैक्शन ली जो हमने कंसिडर की थी, देन हमने जो फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन है उसका डिनोमिनेटर दैट इज 5 और जो सेकंड फ्रैक्शन है उसका न्यूमरेटर, उनको मल्टीप्लाई करके देखा, 5 × 9 45. सो दोनों में आंसर 45 आ रहा है. इट मीन्स these both numbers are equivalent fraction. Fractional numbers are equivalent fraction. Okay. We find that the products in both cases are same, right? Then like and unlike fractions. Like fractions. Fractions that have the same denominators are called the like fractions. तो ऐसी fractions जिनका same denominator होता है उनको हम like fractions कहते हैं. Okay. For example, 1/6, 5/6, 7/6 are like fractions. 6, 6, 6. Each fraction has the same denominator, which is 6. Okay. Then unlike fraction. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fraction. So this is the opposite of like fraction. इसमें different denominators होते हैं तो उनको हम unlike fraction बोलते हैं. For example, 1/3, 5/9, 4/5, 7/3 are unlike fraction. तो यहाँ पर 3, 9, 5, 3 इनमें different denominators आ रहे हैं. So these are unlike fractions. Okay. Then exercise 6C. A, write the next 3 equivalent fractions of the following. Okay. So we have to write the equivalent fraction. First, 4/7, 8/14, then 12 by 21, then 16 by 28. So here we have to continue the table of 4, and in the denominator part we have to continue the table of 7. Okay, then we have 20 by 35. After that we have 24 by 42. Okay, then second one, 3 by 6, 6 by 12, 9 by 18. Now in the numerator part we have to continue with the table of 3, and in the denominator part we have to continue with the table of 6 to get the equivalent fraction. Okay, so here we have 12 by 24, then 15 by 30, after that 18 by 36. Okay, then third, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 6 by 12. Now in this part we have to continue with the 2 table in the numerator, and in the denominator part we have to continue with the 4's table. Okay, so here we have the answer, 8 by 16, then 10 by 20, then 12 by 24. Got it? Then B, fill up the boxes. Okay, first 1 by 2. So now we have to check 2 के टेबल में 12 कितने पर आता है? 6 पर. So here we have multiplied 2 with 6. So in the numerator part we have to again multiply it with 6. So we'll get 6 by 12. Okay. Then second part, 28 by 32. So here we need to divide it with 4. And in the denominator part we'll get 8 here. Okay. Then the remaining part you can solve yourself. Okay. See, put greater than or smaller than sign between each pair of fractions. Okay. First 4 by 10, 2 by 10. Now 4 is greater than 2. Right. So we'll put the greater than sign. Then we have second 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Now both are equal, so we'll put equal to sign. You can do the remaining question by yourself. Okay. Comparison of like fractions. So here we have a figure divided into 7 equal parts and 3 are shaded. So we have the fraction 3 by 7. 3/7. Okay. Then another figure, right, which is divided into again 7 parts, and the fraction will be 2 by 7 is equal to 2/7. Then the fraction for this figure 4 by 7 equals to 4/7. Okay. These are like fractions because their denominators are same. Each of these rectangle has been divided into 7 equal parts. The shaded portion of the second rectangle is less than the first rectangle, and the shaded portion of the first rectangle is less than the shaded portion of the third rectangle. Thus 2 by 7 is smaller than 3 by 7 and 3 by 7 is smaller than 4 by 7. So ascending order, this is ascending order. Okay. Or 4 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7, then 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. This is descending order. Okay. Thus if two fractions having the same denominators, the fraction which has the smallest numerator is smaller than the other and vice versa. तो यहाँ पर जो हमने ये fractions देखी, okay, तो 3 by 7 जो है वो क्या है, 2 by 7 से greater थी, right? फिर 2 by 7 जो है वो smaller थी 4 by 7 से, right? हमें यहाँ पर ये दिए हुए थे और ये सारे like fractions थे. क्यों? क्योंकि इनका जो डिनोमिनेटर था वो सेम था, राइट? और जो ये फिगर्स थी ये भी 7 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड थी, तो इसलिए ये लाइक फ्रैक्शन थी. फिर हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया है, हमने जो फ्रैक्शंस थी उनको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर यानी कि स्मॉलेस्ट टू ग्रेटेस्ट. सो डिनोमिनेटर रिमेन्स द सेम, देन 2, 3, 4 अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव अरेंज्ड. देन हमने डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया है। डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कैसे करते हैं, जब हम लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर पर आते हैं, तो यहाँ पर वही चीज हमने फॉलो की है। डिनोमिनेटर रिमेन्स द सेम बट in the numerator part we have arranged accordingly. Okay, then comparison of unlike fractions. Consider the shaded portion of 3 given circles of the same size. तो ये सेम साइज के सर्कल है बट हमें इनके जो शेडेड पोर्शन है उनको कंसिडर करना है। तो इस वाले सर्कल के लिए हमारी फ्रैक्शन होगी 1/2 विच इज 1/2, इस वाले पोर्शन के लिए होगी 1/3 विच इज 1/3, और इस वाले सर्कल के लिए हो गई 1/4 विच इज 1/4. On comparing the shaded portions of the above circles, we observe that, तो हमने कंपेयर किया सारे शेडेड सर्कल्स को, तो हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा है सबसे पहले 1/2 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/3, देन 1/3 इज ग्रेटर देन 1/4. ओके, देन हमारा आता है डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, तो जो 1/4 है विच इज स्मॉलर देन 1/3, स्मॉलर देन 1/2. Okay, hence if two fractions having the same numerator, then the fraction which has the greater denominator is smaller than the other and vice versa. तो अगर दो फ्रैक्शन है, ओके, दो से ज्यादा भी हैं, तो उनका क्या है, न्यूमरेटर सेम है बट जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो डिफरेंट है. तो जिसका डिनोमिनेटर ग्रेटर होगा वो स्मॉलर होगी दूसरे वाले से. ओके, यहाँ पर ऐसा ही हुआ है, राइट. इसका डिनोमिनेटर क्या था, ग्रेटर था, तो ये स्मॉलर है. फिर सिमिलरली इसके साथ हुआ 3, इसका डिनोमिनेटर इससे ग्रेटर है बट ये स्मॉलर है ओवरऑल. ओके, और ये वाइस वर्सा भी होता है. ओके, देन एक्सरसाइज 6D, A circle the smallest and take the biggest fraction in each group. Okay, so first 2/6, 1/6, 3/6. Now the smallest one is 1/6, right? So we'll circle it. In this part, here the denominators are same, but the numerators are different, right? So these are like fractions. So we have to compare normally. We have to look for the number which is the smallest one. So here we have 1 which is the smallest one. That's why 1/6 is the smallest fraction. Okay. Then similar for the case of largest one, we have to see the numerator part only. Okay. So here 3/6 is the biggest one. So we'll tick on it. Okay. Then second 1/6, 2/6, then 3/6. So again 1/6 is the smallest one and 3/6 is the biggest one. You can do the remaining parts by yourself. Okay. Then B, arrange the following fractions in ascending order. अब यहाँ पर हमें ascending order में arrange करना है इनको fractions को. Okay. First 4/7, 6/7, 1/7, 5/7. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Okay, so first we'll write 1/7, then 4/7, then 5/7, and then 6/7. Got it? Then second part 2/5, 2/9, 2/7, 2/3. Okay, so again we have to arrange them in ascending order, but in this question, in this part of the question, these are unlike fractions. Okay, so all have the same numerator but different denominators, right? So we have to look for that one which is the greatest one. It means the overall fraction is the smaller. Okay, so 2/9 is the smallest one, so I'll write here. Then we have 2/7, right? Then we have 2/5. And in the end, we have the greatest one, 2/3. So here you can see 9, 7, 5, 3. Arranged है पूरे, right? यहाँ पर सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ये था, फिर ये था, फिर ये था, तो इस तरीके से हम अरेंज करते हैं। जब न्यूमरेटर सेम होता है, डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट होता है, तो यहाँ पर ग्रेटेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट अरेंज करते हैं। ओके, वो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहलाता है। ओके, सो यू कैन अटेम्प्ट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स बाय योरसेल्फ। देन सी, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर। ओके, सो वील अरेंज देम in descending order. First, we have 6 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 1 by 7. Descending order means largest to smallest. Now the largest one is 6 by 7. Then we have 5 by 7. After that 2 by 7. And then 1 by 7. Got it? Then we'll do the second question. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Okay. Now the numerator is same but denominator is different, right? So we have to find the fraction which has the smallest number denominator, which is 1 by 2. It means 1 by 2 is the greater one. Okay. So accordingly we have to arrange the remaining ones as well. Okay. Then we'll write 1 by 3. Then we'll write 1 by 4. Then 1 by 5. Okay. So similarly, you can attempt the remaining questions. Then addition of like fractions. There is a circle divided into 8 parts. 2 parts are shaded on one side and 3 parts shaded on other side. There are 5 shaded parts in all. एक सर्कल गिवन है जो कि 8 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, और जो 2 पार्ट्स हैं वो शेडेड है एक साइड पर और 3 पार्ट्स है शेडेड है अदर साइड पर। तो टोटल जो शेडेड पार्ट्स है वो 5 है। द पिक्चर यू कैन सी। ओके, 2 पार्ट शेडेड है, देन यहाँ पर 3 पार्ट शेडेड है। फर्स्ट 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8 equals to 5 by 8. So here we have the same denominator, right? So we need to plus the numerators only. Okay, so if we add 2 and 3 we'll get 5. That's how we add fractions. Okay, the sum of two fractions having same denominators equals to sum of numerators upon common denominator. Okay, this is the kind of a formula you can remember. Okay, बस हमें numerators का sum करना होता है और जो denominator होता है वो common हो जाता है. Okay, or we can say that when two fractions with same denominators are added, only numerators add and denominator remains same. और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जो 2 फ्रैक्शन होती है जिनका सेम डिनोमिनेटर होता है, हम उन्हें ऐड करते हैं तो सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर्स ऐड होते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम रहते हैं. ओके, देन सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. लेट्स लर्न टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस ऑफ 2 fractions having the same denominator. Here is the circle divided into 6 parts. तो अब हम लर्न करेंगे डिफरेंस कैसे निकालते हैं लाइक फ्रैक्शंस का. ओके, so these are, here is a circle divided into 6 parts. Okay, out of 6 parts 2 parts are shaded. 6 parts में से 2 parts shaded है. How much part of the circle is unshaded? कितना part unshaded है? Okay, so 6 by 6 था और 2 parts shaded है. So we are subtracting minus 2 by 6. So 6 minus 2 by 6 equals to 4 by 6. Again we need to only subtract the numerator part and denominator remains the same. So we'll get the answer 4 by 6. Okay. When we subtract 2 fractions with same denominator, the numerators are subtracted and denominator remains the same. Okay. जब हम 2 फ्रैक्शंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर तो सेम रहता है, सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर सब्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं. देन एक्सरसाइज 6E, A add the following fractions. Okay, first 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So we'll get the answer 2 plus 5 7 and 3 remains the same. The answer will be 7 by 3. Then second 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Now 2 plus 3 equals to 5 by 7. The answer will be 5 by 7. Okay. Now the remaining parts you can do by yourself. Then B part, find the difference. Now we'll find the difference. Okay, first 6 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So we have to subtract 6 minus 3, will get 3, and 5 remains the same. The answer will be 3 by 5. Then second, 7 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So if we subtract 7 minus 2, we'll get 5, and 4 remains the same. The answer will be 5 by 4. You can attempt the remaining parts by yourself. Then C, subtract first 4 by 5 from 9 by 5. 9 by 5 में से हमें 4 by 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. फ्रॉम का मतलब यही होता है जो उसके पीछे लिखा है पहले वो लिखना है, फिर ये लिखना है जो पहले दिया हुआ है. सो 9 by 5 minus 4 by 5 means we are subtracting 9 minus 4. We'll get 5. Yes. Then 5 remains the same in the denominator part. The answer will be 5 by 5. Then second part, 7 by 3 from 9 by 3. So we have to subtract 9 by 3 minus 7 by 3, which is equal to, if we subtract 9 minus 7, we'll get 2. Then denominator remains the same. 2 by 3 is the answer. Then you can solve the remaining parts. Okay. Then D, find first 7 by 10 plus 2 by 10 minus 6 by 10. So first we need to add this fraction. So if we add 7 plus 2, we'll get 9. 10 remains the same, 9 by 10. Then we are remaining with this part. So we'll write here minus 6 by 10. Now we'll subtract. 9 में से 6 गए, 3. 10 remains the same. Answer will be 3 by 10. Okay. So you can solve this part by yourself. Then objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Take the correct option. First, fraction is a broken number of dash. Fraction किसका broken number होती है? We have options A half, B fourth, C parts. Correct answer is parts. Then second, when an object is divided into 4 equal parts, then each of the part is called dash. तो जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं तो हम हर एक पार्ट को क्या कहते हैं? वी हैव ऑप्शंस A 1/3, B 1/4, C half. The correct answer is 1/4. Third, in a fraction, the number below the horizontal line is called dash. Horizontal line से नीचे जो नंबर होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? We have options A denominator, B numerator, C none of them. The correct answer is denominator. Then we have fourth, in the given figures, which shaded part shows 1 by 4. Okay, we have options A this one, B this one, and C this one. So the correct answer will be A part. Okay, because this circle is divided into 4 equal parts and one is only shaded. So it shows the fraction 1 by 4. Okay. Now HOTS. First question, Neetu cuts a cake into 12 equal parts. She eats 5 slices of cake. What fraction of Neetu's cake is left? तो नीतू ने 12 equal parts में divide कर दिया केक को. Okay. And उसने 5 slices को eat कर लिया तो नीतू के केक में कितने pieces अभी बच गए? Okay. So 12 equal parts means this is the denominator here. Okay. The cake is divided into 12 equal parts and 5 was eaten by Neetu. So 12 minus 5 will tell the answer how much cake is left. Okay. So answer will be 7 by 12. Okay. Then second part, you have to lay 100 tiles to cover a floor. You have already 65. A, what fraction of the floor have you covered? कितना हमने cover कर दिया? 65 हमने ले कर दी है. Okay, so the fraction will be 65 by 100. B, what fraction do you still have to cover? कितनी हमें cover करनी है? So if we subtract 100 minus 65, then we'll get 35. So 35 tiles we have to lay. 35 by 100 is the fraction. Then creative skill, mental math. First write the fraction for 4 out of 9. हमें fraction लिखनी है 4 out of 9 के लिए. The answer will be 4 by 9. Then second, what fraction does a shaded part in the picture represent? So for this one, the answer will be 4 by 5. Okay? Then for this part, there is nothing. So we'll write 0. Okay. Then third, 1 by 2 of 6 is. Of means multiply. Okay. So if we calculate 1 by 2 multiply 6. So we have to see that 2 के टेबल में 6 कितने पर आता है? 3 पर. So we'll cut here. 1 3s are 3. The answer will be 3. Then 4, 3 by 4 of 20 is dash. Now again, of means multiply. So we have to look. 4 के टेबल में 20 कितने पर आता है? 5 पर. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 will be the answer. Then fifth, 7 friends share 5 small pizzas equally. How much of the pizzas will each friend get? 7 friends 5 small pieces को equally share करते हैं पिज्जा के. Okay. और हमें बताना है कि कितना पिज्जा हर एक फ्रेंड को मिलेगा. Okay. So we have option A 1 by 7, B 1 by 5, C 4 by 7, D 5 by 7. The correct answer will be 1 by 5. Seventh, Amit bought 8 mangoes and 7 bananas for a party. What fraction of the bananas Amit bought? Amit ने 8 mangoes bought किए, 7 bananas party के लिए. तो हमें बताना है कितनी fraction bananas की Amit ने bought की. Okay, so we have option A 1 by 7, B 7 by 15, C 8 by 7, D 7 by 8. The correct answer is this, 7 by 15. Then 8, is it correct to write the fraction 2 by 7 for the shaded part in the picture? This is the shaded part and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks are shaded. So they have given 2 by 7. Yes/no, tick the correct answer. The answer will be no. Then experiential learning activity zone. Aim to understand the concept of fraction with the help of paper folding. तो हम पेपर फोल्डिंग की हेल्प से फ्रैक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट सीखेंगे इस एक्टिविटी के थ्रू. ओके. देन मटीरियल्स, वाइट पेपर, रूलर, कंपास, पेंसिल, क्रियॉन्स, अ पेयर ऑफ सिजर्स. हमें वाइट पेपर चाहिए, रूलर चाहिए, कंपास चाहिए, पेंसिल, क्रियॉन्स और सिजर्स चाहिए. प्रोसीजर क्या रहेगा? Teacher cuts out circles of appropriate sizes using compass. Each student is given 3 cutout. तो टीचर जो है वो सर्कल्स कट करेंगी appropriate sizes के और हर एक स्टूडेंट को 3 cutouts देंगी. Okay. Student takes 1 circular piece each and fold to divide it in 2 halves so that the boundaries of the parts overlap with each other. They press it and draw a line along the crease. तो जो स्टूडेंट क्या करेंगे वो सर्कुलर पीस को फोल्ड करेंगे और 2 हाफ्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके. और इस तरीके से फोल्ड करेंगे कि जो बाउंड्रीज है एक दूसरे के ऊपर ओवरलैप करनी चाहिए. फिर जो क्रीज आएगा ओके उसके ऊपर एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देंगे. They unfold the paper and shade one part and write 1 by 2 to represent 1 half. फिर अनफोल्ड करेंगे पेपर को, शेड करेंगे एक पार्ट को और 1 by 2 रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ओके. नाउ दे टेक द सेकेंड कट आउट पीस एंड फोल्ड इनटू 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. फिर वो सेकेंड कट आउट को लेंगे, उसमें 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके. देन they unfold the paper and shade any part and write 1 by 4 to represent 1/4. फिर अनफोल्ड करेंगे पेपर को और शेड करेंगे एक पार्ट को और वहां लिखेंगे 1 by 4. ओके. So here you can see the picture. This is whole. Then we have half part and this is the 1/4 which is quarter. Okay. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.